I never planned to start a business. I just wanted to make a little extra money with what I was already doing. I bought my dream home with my fiance, and 2 months later, the mortgage jumped $1,000. I was like, is this even legal? I had years of experience at my job, and I was teaching this stuff at work. But when I tried to turn that into an online business, it was crazy. I was trying everything, but nothing was working. I was trying to get followers, trying to get engagement, but people didn't respond. That's not what I thought I was getting into, especially when I first started. But Mario's masterclass simplified a lot of stuff I was confused about.
For me, it was burnout, and I'd been in tech for like 12 years or something like that. I mean, I think I'm a pretty smart guy. I had a good income, but I was capped. And at some point, I knew I couldn't really make any more money in that position. And I wasn't interested in all that online influencer stuff, but I just wanted to use what I knew to build something of my own. This masterclass that Mario teaches was really exactly what I was looking for, because at first I didn't really know where to start, you know what I'm saying? And I'm really looking forward to joining his Creator to CEO program soon.
Now listen, if you've ever felt like your knowledge should be earning you more, then this free masterclass is for you. It's not about algorithms. It's not about going viral. It's about building a real business from what you already know. And you'll discover the simple system that they use to create offers, to launch them fast, and to finally own their income. And this really could change everything for you. So reserve your seat now and sign up for the masterclass. Can't wait to see you inside.